Hey guys, how you doing? Brian from the Franklin Southie. Back again to show you how to make some fresh made ricotta. Ricotta is a very simple cheese. It's semi-soft cheese that you can make at your house. We use it around the restaurant for desserts as well as savory dishes. So here we go. Alright, so we're going to take our three simple ingredients to start. We have milk, cream, and buttermilk. We're just going to add them to the pot one at a time. We're going to crank the heat all the way up. We're going to bring it to a scald. Scalding the milk is basically bringing it to a boil. It's once it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it way down to a simmer. This way it doesn't boil all over your stove and make a mess. So it's coming up to a slow boil around the sides. I'm going to take a pinch of salt, nice heavy one, 2 pinches actually, just to season it a little bit. And see how it's coming up? I'm going to turn the heat down. And I'm going to add the juice of 2 lemons. I do it over my hand. You can use a strainer, just so I can capture the seeds. Nothing worse than getting a seed in your ricotta. Two. And from this point right here, we're actually going to be curdling the whey proteins in the milks. The whey is what is actually going to form the cheese, and it acts as a binder. It curdles itself from the heat as well as the acid, the low pH scale. And that's what you have. You want to let this sit at a low temperature for about a half hour, and you'll see all the solids come to the top. Don't stir it and agitate them, otherwise they will become really thin. So what I have now is a simple strainer. You can use a colander of anything you have at your house. Go to your local store and grab some cheesecloth, and basically gonna put the cheesecloth into the strainer, place it into another container to capture the liquids, and I'm just gonna take our ricotta and pour it in slowly. You can see the lumps. It's a beautiful sign. And voila. From this point, I'm going to let it sit for about 12 hours, and then afterwards I can remove it from the cheesecloth and you have ricotta. It's a beautiful thing. This is your finished product. You can see it's crumbly, it's hard, it's delicious. Like I said, use it for a savory dish, or you can adjust it and use it for a nice sweet dish like a ricotta pie.